Meaning of Ellery Queen.
Ellery Queen.
Ellery Queen.
Ellery Queen.
Ellery Queen. Ellery Queen is a fictional character and pseudonym used by two American cousins, Frederick Danae and Manfred Bennington Lee, who wrote detective novels and short stories. The character of Ellery Queen first appeared in The Roman Hat Mystery, published in 1929, and went on to solve many other crimes in subsequent novels and stories. Queen was known for his deductive skills and attention to detail, often solving cases that stumped the police. The character remains popular today and has been adapted into radio dramas, films, and television series.